Hello, I'm going to show you how to set a Wise account step by step. So first of all, go to Wise's website or app, tap register or get started, choose your account type, select either a personal or business account, enter your email address, create a secure password and choose your country of residence, verify your identity, provide basic details like your full name, date of birth, address and phone number. Wise will prompt you to upload a photo ID and possibly a selfie for identity verification. Then you need to set up currency and receive details. You can open local receiving accounts in multiple currencies if you want to receive international payments. This will give you bank-like account numbers in each currency. Then add a payment method, link your bank account, debit, credit card, or other payment options for sending money or topping up your Wise balance. Then secure your account, enable two-factor authentication via SMS or Authenticator app for added security. Start using Wise, send, receive, and hold over 40 plus currencies at real exchange rate. You can also order a Wise debit card for global spending.